By the end of the video, we'll know get fit anywhere. Building your bodyweight workout plan. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a fantastic topic, building your bodyweight workout plan. First off, let's get one thing straight. You don't need fancy equipment or a full gym to get fit. All you need is your own body weight and a little space. So, let's dive into the details of how you can create a robust bodyweight workout plan that will help you build strength, endurance, and flexibility. Start by focusing on basic exercises like squats, push-ups, pull-ups, and planks. These are multi-joint movements that target several muscle groups at once. By incorporating these exercises into your routine, you'll be able to strengthen your entire body without any additional weights or equipment. Next, consider adding some more dynamic movements into your routine. Think jumping jacks, burpees, mountain climbers. These moves will not only test your strength but also challenge your cardiovascular system. They're great for burning calories and boosting metabolism. Remember to vary your workout intensity regularly as well. This means alternating between high-intensity intervals, HIIT, and low-intensity steady-state list workouts. By doing this, you'll keep your body guessing and prevent boredom or hitting a plateau in your progress. Lastly, don't forget about balance and flexibility training. These aspects are often overlooked, but are essential for improving overall athletic performance and preventing injuries. Incorporate moves like bird dog stretches or lunges with a twist for some added balance workouts into your plan. For flexibility training, try yoga poses or static stretches to improve your flexibility and range of motion. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating your very own bodyweight workout plan. With these tips in mind, you can start seeing results in no time at all while working out anywhere you want. Remember to have fun with it, to fitness should be enjoyable. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful and want more fitness tips and workouts like this one, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more great content coming up soon. Until next time, see you then.